Hello guys again. Today we are doing the timing for Peugeot Partner, as you see, 2017. And in a quick video I'm gonna show you, because it's a bit tricky to find any timing marks on this kind of cars. Anyway, that's a French car, you know guys, and that's what I'm gonna show you. Where's the timing marks on the camshaft? As you see, this one is the single camshaft, and this camshaft, the timing is here. As you see that I put drill bit on that, and that's the timing for camshaft. And for the high pressure fuel pump, you see that bolt, that is the timing marks for that. And because I didn't have the tools, just take one bolt number 6 and grind it a bit. It's gonna fit there perfectly. And this is the timing for the high pressure fuel pump. And how about the crankshaft? Let me show you where is that. As you see, there's a plate here, which, you know, this is for the crank sensor. The crank sensor reads that when the engine is turning. But you see that drill bit on top of that is 12 o'clock. The timing mark is there, and there's a hole on the body which that drill bit goes inside and sits in that hole. That is the timing for this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.